Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics that actually fix most issues. Check the exact Wi-Fi name and password on another device to rule out router problems. Next, restart both the tablet and the router, power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on to clear transient faults. Once done, toggle airplane mode off and on, then re-enable Wi-Fi. This forces the tablet to refresh its network stack and often resolves self-assigned address or DHCP hiccups quickly. If basic steps fail, forget the troublesome network and reconnect manually to clear saved bad settings. Then inspect the IP details under Wi-Fi Advanced Options. If DHCP gives a self-assigned or 169x address, try a static IP in the router range such as 192, 168, 150 and set DNS to 8. Once done, verify no proxy is set. If multiple parameters look wrong, reset network settings to restore defaults and eliminate misconfigurations. Finish by updating the tablet OS and any wireless driver or carrier updates. Outdated firmware can block connectivity. If problems persist and you've backed up data, perform a factory reset to remove persistent corruption. Make sure to reapply updates immediately after restore. One key troubleshooting tip: create a mobile hotspot on your phone and connect the tablet to it. If the tablet works, the issue is your router or ISP, not the tablet, which narrows your next steps efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.